TA or Mr. Mills. This is group 16. We are doing this video for project increment number 1. So our app is Better Life, Better Health. We're working to create an app that allows you to input data from workouts, allows you to get plans, allows you to connect with fitness trainers. And this is just kind of the first basic schema we drew up that we kind of all got our footing on and agreed with. You can see this is just a basic sketch of a sign up. It's obviously important to have gender, age, weight, and then do you already have a trainer? So we can kind of input them and match them with certain trainers, maybe trainers that focus on overweight people, underweight, female to female, whatever you want. You know what I mean? That's going to help make this process more clear and prioritize users because not everyone wants to see everything. The feed is going to kind of be like a Twitter style sort of deal where and it'll be kind of gamified where you'll see like, oh, Monica went to the gym 3 times this week, or Chad just benched 225 for 10 or something like that, where you'll be able to put all that in. You'll see their profile will have like some sort of icons for what they do, obviously a image of them, and then what they've been doing. And then you could hit the calendar tab to open up something like this to see what you've done over the weeks. And then it'll be up to the user to input exercises. So like you can see there's a search bar, and then obviously it'll be the results. So let's say I want to look up incline dumbbell bench, incline dumbbell, probably pops up. There's only so many things. And after that, it'll pop up into this like smaller little thing that asks you how many weight, like the weight and the reps, and then that'll be added to like the day's tally of what you did in that workout on that day. That will eventually be inputted into that calendar. And we'll have some sort of maybe automation to produce something out to the feed. All right. The next thing I'm going to show you is like the art style we're going for and how we want the app to look, which I know it's not super important, but it helps us get a better vision of what we're doing. It's kind of a more corporate, blocky style, but very drawn up, very nice. Nice color scheme. We think like having an important art style like this, I mean, to some degree, looks might not matter fully for grade, but to market, it does matter. Obviously, people want something that looks nice and that's going to go well, so we think it's important to mention that. Next, you're going to see one of our big achievements thus far. We've implemented ChatGPT's API already into our thing, and the idea as of right now, as it stands, it could simply stand as its own tab to be utilized as a text-based deal to make a workout. As you can see, we're asking for a leg day workout. It'll spit a nice one out to you. The ultimate goal with something like this would be to have a database so all the things you store, all the food you track, all the this, that, or the other, all that gets stored into its own database personal to that user. And what we'd be able to do is input that on the back end to ChatGPT ourselves and say, hey, maybe prompt engineer a little bit, take this database, take these results, and tell me what would you do for this person if they wanted to gain 10 pounds, or they wanted to lose weight, or they wanted to do a push-pull sort of day, like any of the variety. And basically what you could do is you could take that, get those results, maybe filter it out a little bit, make sure it makes sense, get a little peer review, and then ultimately put it behind some sort of paywall or something pretty, make a premium user, or for right now, obviously just show it so you can see that, it's working and everything like that. This is kind of just like a basic, obviously, a login page. We still have plenty of ways to go. We have big dreams and a lot of things that we want to end up getting done. We understand that we have a lot to go, but right now we still have a good working product. You can see the vision that's going on in the actual